Welcome back to the channel. This is how you do an RJ45 cable connection in a house. The cable that is used is a Cat6 and that consists of 4 twisted pairs: white orange orange, white blue blue, white brown brown and white green green. Now a great bit of advice is when you're stripping this, use a cable strippers or a knife. If you use the snips, this cable is so small and delicate that there is a great chance that you will damage it. Now I know I used the snips just there, but that was not for stripping it, that was just for cutting out the inner core that gives the cable a bit of shape. So here we can see the color coding for the cable connection. So on the left and right you can see the A column and the color codes to go with that, and then in the center you can see the B columns. Now the cable literally goes through the terminals you can see on the right there and then is punched down with a specific tool for this job. So if you don't have this tool, you actually can't do this job. There probably is a way of making it happen, but realistically, if you don't have the tool in my left hand, as you can see there, this is just never going to work out well in the end. So you can see then I'm starting with white, orange and orange in the bottom right hand corner, as you will remember from the photo earlier. If you can't, just go back and pause the video for a sec. And then we move on to the next color here, which is the blue and white blue. So that is top, left and right, as seen in the photo earlier. So if you have ever heard of someone on site saying they're punching in cables, this is what they mean. I don't know why it's called punching them in. There's no digs being thrown here, but there you go. Anyway, it is what it is. So this tool is cool as well. So when it punches it in, there's a little scissors on the end that actually cuts the cable off as well. It's probably hard to see from the metal glasses here, but you'll see the cable come flying off the end there. There you go, yeah. Lovely. Anyway, keep it moving. Last two. Something I like to do as well is I actually double punch it. So I'll push it down, it'll cut off the cable, and then I'll go again. Now I'm not sure if I actually do it here. You'll see we got one and done. Do I go again? No, happy enough with that. So one of the most and last important things you'll do is put this little clip on. So this actually holds the cables down in the terminals and stops them pulling out. So very important step. Then you might think, I made a bollocks of it. Nope. The module comes through the mounting plate, and that's just great, isn't it? Whoever designed that, fair play to you. It does let you go ahead of time and actually punch all these in and get them ready. But there you go. Screw it up, get it Gary Neville, and then push that module back in. So that is how that's done. Now something you should watch out for when you're doing these is that British and American standard can be switched and moved around in different ways. So make sure you check each one, and if you're not sure, ask your boss, and then it'll be their fault if it's wrong. Anyway, I'll see you for another one tomorrow.